Welcome everybody to a brand new video. In today's video, I thought I'd do something different because I'm going to be on a trip for the Morphicon convention. I'm going to be taking you through my experiences. There's going to be some theme park videos. There might be some other videos. But I thought it would be really cool to go through and show off the convention, different things in California and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get into the first section of it. And this is going to be me going probably on the trip. All right, it's time for a tour of the hotel room that we stayed at while we were going to the Morphicon convention. There's the bathroom with the lovely mirror. You just saw me there. Pretty cool shower. A lot of different soaps and stuff. With a very nice kitchen. We got some sinks, microwave, actually bowls and plates, cups. And now we're moving on to the closet, which is really nice. There I am in the mirror. Hello, Anthony. And we're going to go take a look at some of the other parts of the room. There are the two beds with the clock, which on the clock, the time is on both sides. Thank you so much for watching part one of the vacation/convention trip for Morphicon for California. There will be theme park videos along the way. There's going to be some YouTube shorts. Some of the videos might be vlog style, which is going to be really cool. But yeah, there's going to be definitely videos of the convention because this only happens every 2 years. But so far, I think this is going to be really awesome, and it's going to be a really awesome trip. Stay tuned for part two. And remember to smash that subscribe button before you leave.